SSILD means Senses-Initiated Lucid Dream. SSILD was published in 2013. This video is processed on a newer version. With this technique, it is important to concentrate on 3 feelings. These 3 steps form a cycle. In each cycle, have to concentrate on individual steps, that is sight, hearing, and tactile sensation. Let's look at each step individually. The first step deals with vision. Close your eyes and relax. Concentrate on looking with your eyes closed. Even if you can't see nothing, focus on that feeling. Just close your eyes and relax. Imagine that you can see through closed eyes the room you are in right now. The second step of this technique is to focus on hearing. Listen sounds in the bedroom. Do you hear the clock ticking, or maybe some other device? If it's quiet enough, you might be able to hear the sounds of your own body. The goal of this step is to focus on hearing. The third and final step of this technique refers to a feeling. To the tactile sensation. Pay attention to how your body feels. Feel your heartbeat and pay attention to unusual sensations such as spinning or some other unknown body sensation. These unknown feelings can appear during falling asleep. Do you feel your heaviness? The goal of this step is to concentrate on your body's sensations. Now comes the technique procedure. Familiarize yourself with the cycle. Let's take a closer look at the technique's exact steps. Sleep for at least 4 to 5 hours. Then wake up. Keep your eyes open for 5 to 10 minutes. Get up and stretch a little. It is important that you are awake, but not overly so. You should have no trouble falling asleep. Return to your bed. Now cycle 4 to 6 times quickly. This is a warm-up period. Hypnagogic hallucinations are now possible. Colors, shapes, and phantom sounds are all present. Then just stand there and observe. Do not attempt to interact. If you haven't already, return to your usual sleeping position. The senses-initiated lucid dream results are as follows. Hypnagogic hallucinations, and they can help you directly enter a lucid dream. This technique produced the sensation of a false awakening. This assists you in transforming a nightmare into a wonderful dream. I wish you many pleasant dreams.